Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Attention marketers, content creators, digital entrepreneurs, and action takers. What if you could tap into one of the fastest growing AI income opportunities today, own the product that teaches it, and keep 100% of every sale you make? Because starting today, you can. We're living in a time where AI is no longer optional. It's transforming how people create digital products, how businesses market and sell, and how everyday beginners generate income online. And at the center of it all is one powerful shift: AI-powered income systems. But here's the problem. Most people don't know how to turn AI into real income, don't know what to create or sell, don't know how to scale without wasting time, and many get stuck trying to figure everything out from scratch. That's where you step in. Because now, you don't have to build anything yourself. You can own a ready-made product, teach others how to use AI for income, position yourself as an expert, and profit from one of the biggest AI opportunities right now. Introducing AI Cash Hack Blueprint for Beginners with PLR, your complete income-ready system that teaches people how to unlock simple AI cash strategies for online income, automation, and digital profits, and gives you full private label rights so you can rebrand it as your own, resell it unlimited times, keep 100% of every sale, build a scalable AI income business. This isn't theory. This is a done-for-you AI beginner blueprint you can start selling immediately. Here's what you get inside. AI Cash Hack Blueprint, PLR. 5 high-quality training videos. Beginner-friendly, step-by-step videos showing how to use AI tools to generate income, create simple digital products, build passive income systems, and automate tasks using tools like ChatGPT. Complete step-by-step training guide. A proven blueprint that teaches real-world AI cash methods from idea generation to launching profitable digital assets. 5 audio versions. Perfect for learning on the go or repurposing into podcast-style content for your audience. 5 raw video files. Fully editable so you can customize, brand, and position yourself as an AI income expert. 5 professional presentation slides, PPT. Perfect for webinars, workshops, coaching programs, or selling high-value AI training. Plus, all marketing materials done for you, so you don't have to create anything from scratch. High-converting sales copy, ready-to-use sales video, professional graphics, animated banners, email swipe files, conversion-optimized mini sites, legal pages, social media creatives, PDF graphics, chapter visuals. And because we reward fast action takers, you'll also receive Fast Action Bonus 1, Cheat Sheet. Instant, easy-to-follow frameworks that help you generate AI-based income ideas in minutes. Fast Action Bonus 2. Mind Map. A visual system that shows exactly how to turn AI ideas into income streams step by step. Fast Action Bonus 3. Top Resources Report. A curated list of the best AI tools for content, automation, and online earnings. With AI Cash Hack Blueprint for Beginners (PLR), you can build instant authority in the AI money-making space, sell a premium AI course without creating content, offer beginner-friendly AI services, create multiple passive income streams. Start earning today, not weeks or months from now. This is more than just a product. It's a ready-made AI income system, fully packaged, fully done for you, fully yours. All you have to do is download, rebrand, upload, and get paid. That's it. The AI money revolution is happening right now. Beginners are looking for simple ways to earn online. Digital buyers are investing in AI education, and demand for easy-to-follow systems is growing fast. This is your opportunity to be the seller, not the consumer. So don't wait. Take action now. Unlock your PLR license. Start selling AI Cash Hack Blueprint today, because the people who leverage AI income systems today will dominate digital earnings tomorrow. Click the button now and get instant access. Your AI-powered income journey starts the moment you do.